Hi, I'm Tarrah Westercamp, a school nutrition dietitian with over a decade of experience. I've had the pleasure of working with school nutrition professionals and students to create innovative school breakfast programs that boost participation and the student's school meal experience. Today, I want to introduce you to a resource that'll make your school breakfast programs epic. I have teamed up with the National Peanut Board and school breakfast champions across the country to bring you and your team practical best practices, tips and tricks to create cost-effective school breakfast menus, chef-inspired recipes, student engagement, and much more. Power Up with Peanuts is targeting middle and high school age students because this is the age where breakfast participation starts to drop dramatically. We also recognize the need for resources targeted specifically for this student demographic. Research shows us that school breakfast is important because students that start their day with a consistent, healthy breakfast are more likely to have higher scores on standardized tests, fewer emotional, behavioral, and educational problems, fewer nurse trips like less headaches and stomach issues, stronger attendance rates, and stronger graduation rates. The power of peanuts is coming out of the shell while bringing a sustainable, vegetarian-friendly option that provides 7 grams of protein per ounce. Peanuts provide school nutrition meal planners with a food item that is versatile and affordable. A powerhouse packed full of vitamins and minerals, peanuts are the perfect addition to your school breakfast menus while also helping you meet the new final rules. Are you ready to power up your school breakfast program? Check out the National Peanut Board's turnkey toolkit, Power Up with Peanuts, full of resources, social media images, menu templates, exciting recipes, allergy resources, and much more. They are here to help you serve students innovative, healthy meals safely. Peanuts, now that's making school breakfast epic.